to Emma. Okay. Certificate of recognition with the same content is presented to Ma'am Relita Quinzon and family. Ma'am, thank you very much for your effort as one of our esteemed donors. Let me hold. Okay. Certificate of recognition in the same content is hereby awarded to, may we call on our officers of the Alumni Association, please ma'am, sirs. Dito po tayo lahat. The same certificate of recognition is hereby awarded to Ma'am Nenita Quinzon Mo and family. Thank you very much, ma'am, for your invaluable effort as one of our esteemed donors. Sakit na po tayo, ma'am. Hindi kayo the other side dito tuma. The other side po yung iba. Okay, thank you po. Next, certificate of recognition with the same content is hereby presented to Ma'am Gemma Q. Galvan and family. Thank you very much, ma'am. Ma'am Gemma Q. Galvan and family. Ma'am Telma. Yes, Ma'am Telma. Ma'am Telma, manong to ma'am. Certificate of recognition is presented to Sir Franklin F. Galica and family. Next, certificate of recognition with the same content is presented to Ma'am Elizabeth P. Untalasco and family. Certificate of recognition is presented to Alexander and Jane P. Untalasco and family. Thank you very much, ma'am and sir, for your invaluable effort as one of the esteemed donors for the 4th Grand Alumni Homecoming. Thank you very much po. Merry Christmas. Another certificate of recognition is presented to Belinda De La Cruz and family. Thank you very much, ma'am, for being an invaluable esteemed donor for our 4th Grand Alumni Homecoming. Sa uulitin po. Congratulations at mabuhay po tayong lahat. Okay. An award and appreciation po given to Batch 1988. 1988. Batch 1988 po, dito po sa harap. Maraming salamat po. Batch, oh, okay. Batch 88, ma'am. Maraming salamat po. Yes. Same certificate will be awarded to Batch 1988. Maraming salamat po for your contributions and everything you made for this 4th Grand Alumni Homecoming. Maraming salamat po. Okay, congratulations. Thank you very much po, ma'am. Sa uulitin, Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!